Hello and welcome back to Metaverse. For today's video, we are going to be talking about NEO Explained, everything you need to know about N3. Let's get started. What is KYC? Actually, KYC is one of the key characteristics that distinguishes Kucoin from a wide range of other exchanges and is one of the main reasons we utilize them so frequently. The term KYC stands for Know Your Customer, and according to US law, every exchange in the country must keep a record of your personal information before letting you buy, sell, or trade cryptocurrency. Since Kucoin is headquartered outside of the US, they are not required to gather your personal data. This basically means that you can execute cryptocurrency trades while remaining somewhat anonymous. For instance, while Coinbase and Binance have my full name, address, social security number, pictures of me, and other personal information, on their service, Kucoin only has my name and email. I really appreciate this, and as a result, Kucoin has a special place in my heart. If you're a supporter of decentralization, it ought to be in yours too. The fact that Kucoin does not record your trades to organizations like the IRS is important to note. As a law-abiding citizen, even if you are a citizen of the United States, you must still disclose your own trades. However, it is comforting to know that Kucoin wouldn't report the trades for you behind my back. History. In 2022, Kucoin began allowing cryptocurrency trading. The company was headquartered in the Seychelles and run by CEO Johnny Liu in East Africa. Even though they are based in Chile, the main center of operations is currently in Singapore. In 2022, Kucoin had over $280 million worth of assets stolen from their platform. However, because their clients were insured, it presented into no issues at all, in addition to not requesting KYC data and being insured. Massive list of trading pairs. If a coin or token isn't listed on Kucoin, you can either buy it on a DEX or only, or you probably, if there isn't a coin or token on Kucoin, it's either one that you can buy on a DEX or it's one that you probably don't want to be buying. Alright, let's get into the walkthrough of how I personally use Kucoin. So this is the wallet overview, and you'll see right off the bat that there's a ton of different accounts: a main account, trading account, margin account, futures account, and financial account. And the two that I usually use are main account and trading account. So the main account is basically like your overarching account that basically you can only lend from, and I use it mostly just to move money into the trading account. So for example, I can go into my main account here and you can see I have $204 to Tether and $202 of Ethereum Classic. And if I wanted to put money into this account, for example, to fund my Kucoin wallet, I would just go for example. Let's say I want to do ETH. There we go, there's True Ethereum, and I would just click this deposit button. I'm sending Ethereum on Ethereum, and I would just send my Ethereum to this account. And within 12 blocks, it would be confirmed, and then it would be within my Kucoin account. Now to get back to that, I go up here and I click on main account and I'm back to my main account. So what I'm actually going to be doing is moving my Tether from my main account to my trading account. So we're going to go over here to transfer. And like I said, main account to trading account, and I'm going to move 200 over here. We go with moved, and if we go up here and we check our trading account, we can see now the money has been moved over. I have around $1,000 of Tether, some Somatic, some Litecoin, USDC, very small amounts here. And basically what I'm going to be doing now is showing you how I actually make trades on Kucoin. So after you've deposited money into Kucoin and then you've moved it to your trading account, we're going to go up here to trade and we'll click on spot trading. And spot trading is what most people are going to be familiar with using. They do have a password here. There's a ton of security features with Kucoin. You can see here there is BTC, USDT, and I'm actually going to change this to Ethereum. Because I'm going to buy Ethereum, let's find it. I'm going to click on it, and you can see here if I wanted to buy Ethereum, let's say $50 of Ethereum, I would simply go to the market order. This market button right here is basically means buy $50 worth of Ethereum at the current market price, best market price, and then I would put in like $50. And if I checked buy it would actually buy Ethereum. Let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna buy $50 of ETH. There we go. We just made the order, and you can see it pop up down here. I actually have a little bit of ETH available that I didn't earlier, and that I was the Ethereum that I bought, 0.029 ETH. Now, something really neat that Kucoin offers is that isolated margin and futures option, and it is definitely a little more advanced. If you know what you're doing, you can actually make more technical margin positions. And the thing is that they make it very easy. I'm going to show you how to sell Ethereum since I've already bought Ethereum to sell Ethereum. I'm going to go to the spot market. I'm going to click on the market order, best market price, and I'm actually going to sell all of my Ethereum, which I think I can do by clicking 100%. So that's all of my Ethereum that I just bought. I'm going to go ahead and sell it. We'll click on sell ETH, and you can see here my ETH went back to 0 and I gained USDT back. So just like that, Kucoin at a glance looks like a little technical, but if you just use this little spot down here, buying and selling on Kucoin is ridiculously easy. So anything that I love about Kucoin. So another thing that I love about Kucoin, let's get back to the home page. We'll go to assets and we'll go to the main account. This is back to like the home page, I like to call it. And we go over here to the wallet. Actually, I think it's this one, and we go to the spot trade history, and you can see, for example, here where I bought Ethereum and then where I sold Ethereum, and the specific price and the amount that I received it before, and this makes doing taxes at the end of the year very easy because you can simply export the CSV, or you can just import into whatever software you're using. You can also go to trade history and see a little bit more detail about like the fees that you paid. So now that I've already went over how to deposit the money into Kucoin, how to buy and sell crypto on Kucoin, the next thing I want to show you are some more of their other features. For example, if we go over here to buy crypto, you can actually buy crypto on the Kucoin platform. However, at the current moment, I don't recommend it. I usually buy crypto on other platform and then move it over to Kucoin and then make my trades within Kucoin. And that is because the peer-to-peer option, the third-party option, and even the fast trade option, which is like you can use a debit card, I believe. The fees are kind of high on that, but I guess that's the trade-off you get for not being KYC compliant. If we go back over here to trade markets, actually, you can see all of the tokens that they allow you to trade. And this is what blows my mind. If you scroll down here to the bottom, they have 23 pages of different tokens, coins, and tokens that you can buy and sell, which is a ridiculous amount, and I don't think I've seen any other cryptocurrency exchange match this. I want to share with you two other things. The first thing is that I personally don't like to leave money on Kucoin for any centralized exchange for that matter. I don't like to leave money in someone else's hands. I like to move it to my own account. So I'm going to show you how to do that really quick basically. We'll go to the main account here. For example, if I wanted to move the Tether into my own wallet, you can see my Tether here. I've got 5 Tether. I would basically go to withdraw, and then I would enter my Tether with my Ethereum address. I would select Ethereum, and they've got a ton of other networks here. That's another thing that I haven't really mentioned, but like Tron, for example, and Algorand, a lot of other exchanges don't offer these networks, but Kucoin does. And so basically this is how you withdraw. It's super simple. You just enter your wallet address that that you want to withdraw to. For example, I could copy this, paste it here, and then change this Ethereum, and then after that, I would be able to basically withdraw my crypto to my own wallet. From our discussion, what have you learned? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.